Good morning, everyone. My name is Fumiaki Matsushima from Tokyo Institute of Technology. Thank you for introducing me, Mr. Uemura. And I'd like to say thank you to Kyoto University for organizing this workshop. Well, my presentation is, the title is The Hub at Tokyo Tech, Space for Internationalization. In this presentation, I will introduce a space which called Hub ICS. Outline is what is Hub ICS, environment of Hub ICS, and events held at Hub ICS, people involved in Hub ICS. So what is Hub ICS? Hub ICS stands for Hub International Communication Space, and Hub ICS is open to everyone. Visitors can meet new friends from around the world and enjoy conversation. Also, faculty and students can use Hub ICS to hold events. Hub is originally the central part of a foil or a device to networking PCs. So to speak, Hub ICS is a space for networking. So first key point, I'm going to start with environment of Hub ICS. This is a map of Tokyo Tech main campus, Okaima campus. This is Okaima station, and this is main gate. Then Hub ICS place here. Hub ICS is located in the center of Okaima campus. As you see the map, you can visit ICS in a few minutes. A few minutes walk from many buildings. Hub ICS is equipped with TV and comfortable furniture, magazines, and Windows PC and iMacs, and all are in English, and everyone can use all facilities. And there is a reception desk, and staff are always present in Hub ICS during opening hours. So if visitor has a question, staff can help them to raise an answer. And in this section, I am going to talk about events held at Hub ICS. We have main 4 events are held at Hub ICS regularly. First one is Think Aloud every Wednesday lunchtime. Second one, Film for Thought once a month after class. And My Study Abroad once a month lunchtime. The last one is English Cafe every Thursday lunchtime. I'm going to introduce Think Aloud and Film for Thought at next slide. So I'm introducing My Study Abroad, and this is an introduction of student exchange programs. Students who took student programs talk about their experiences to other students, and My Study Abroad is organized by my colleague, Ms. Murakami. She's here. And English Cafe is a very casual event to chat in English with English teachers during lunchtime. So, then Think Aloud. Think Aloud is, I can say, this is the main event of Hub ICS. Think Aloud is an English discussion event hosted by Dr. Tom Hope. Dr. Tom Hope is him. And Think Aloud has introduction section, discussion section, and final thought. And in the introduction, Dr. Tom Hobbs gave a topic to discuss with related movies like news program and movie from YouTube. Then he gives a question to start discuss, and people and participants, mainly students, will discuss with small group in English. In small group, there are Japanese students and international students from all over the world. At the end of this, participant and Dr. Tom Hope will ask each group to speak what they think about topics. And the final thought is a quiz related to the topics. And final thought is another English discussion event. Also, it is also hosted by Dr. Tom Hope or a student volunteer. They run the event sometimes. Outline is really similar to Think Aloud, introduction, and this is a difference. Watch a film, and discussion. The host introduce some information about the film before we watching movie. And after watching a film, host gives some question like Think Aloud and discussion in small group like Think Aloud. Last time was held in last Friday, and we had over 30 participants. It's really impressive to me. And in this section, I'm going to talk about people involved in Hub ICS. By the way, this is a picture to show how to get to the Hub ICS, because Hub ICS is located in the central campus, but it's a little bit hard to get to there. So we put this picture on our website. Hub ICS, as I mentioned, is run by the International Affairs Division with the help of many faculty and staff members. Faculty members host various events regularly, as I mentioned. To staff are present during the opening hours, so the staff can help international students, researchers, or visitors to find necessary information concerning their lives in Japan. The total number of visitors is 644 in October 2012, and 377 is international students, 203 are Japanese students. Students come to Hub ICS for events, especially for Think Aloud, studying or relaxing at furniture or anyway. Socializing with friends and staff in various languages. We have 30 participants for Think Aloud regularly. At the most, we had over 50 participants for Think Aloud, and at that time we are running out of chairs. And we have 151 members have signed up for Think Aloud Facebook group since 2011. And so students can continue discussion at Facebook group after the Think Aloud discussion. So summary. Hub ICS has become a true international communication space. I see many students from various countries. I see many Korean students, Chinese students, from Indonesia, Thailand, India, and I see the Brazilian student. And from 2011, the number of visitors are increasing little by little. The number was about 350 to around 400 per month in 2011, but it's increasing. It's now about 600 per month. And I see students talk with friends in English or Japanese or other languages. I couldn't see the student talking in English and Japanese in 2011, so I can say it's really internationalized. The important points are providing an environment. We place Windows PC and iMacs, which can be used for research for everyone. And we change magazine, made Facebook group, and change the rules so that visitor can have lunch at Hub ICS or drink, but unfortunately not alcohol. Second, placing adequate staff who have good communication skills and motivated, because the staff do directly manage Hub ICS and talk with visitors. So they make Hub ICS a comfortable space. Third, running events regularly. When we started Think Aloud in spring 2011, we only had less than 10 participants, including me and other staff. But now we have, as I said, regularly 30 participants. So providing an environment, placing adequate staff, running events regularly, these are important points for Hub ICS. Okay. Thank you for listening.